Puntahan natin si Big Game James Jr. James Martinez leading the attack para sa Jumbo Plastic. Linoleum Giants came off the bench. Hindi siya starting five. Pero nung nasindihan na, flexing his muscles dito sa game number 2. At no doubt about it, he's the top player
O, tama yun,
ng
partner.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum Giants. And game face ang kanya pinapakita rito.
At ang pinapakita niya, not only 3-pointers, mga atake pa sa basket. Diba? Nakita na tayo ng isang magandang up and under move para dito kay James Martinez. So, suddenly, siya ang main man na naman para dito sa Jumbo Plastic.
Fourth quarter has officially started. Unang may possession, Kaida. Terzo, nahanap si Marvin Hayes. Babasa siya mang shot clock. Sumipat si Hayes. 3 ball, mailap pa rin para kay Marvin. And Mandani gets the board.
AJ Mandani, no? Baka makaget over dahil ang ganda ng ginagawa. Biglang papasok. Biglang nagbigay ng 3-pointer para sa Jumbo.
Shot clock, babasa Gis. Paganas, pumeke ng 3. Padilla on the attack. Fishing expedition. And Gabawan will be called for that foul.
The thing about Padilla, partner, always close to the basket. Good things happen pagka ganun. Very important free throws.
Bit-bit na rin yan eh. Coming from the PBA, having played in the PBA. Kumpiyansa mo, no? After reaching the pros,
Siyempre.
skyrocket yan.
Parang yung thinking mo is parang nakuryente nung na-miss ko. Siyempre yung thinking mo is parang you played with the best. Diba?
Yes.
So,
Miss ang una ni Alvin. Second is good. So baba ang kalamangan dito ng Tile Masters sa 2, 57-55. Almari nagtitimon, binigay dito kay Terzo. Gabawan has it, 12 on the clock. As we take a look at the quarter scoring, oh wow, look at the third period ng Jumbo Plastic.
24 is very decent. Try the test, but trend kahit pinag-uusapan natin kanina. 30 points is a lot for a 10-minute quarter.
Number 12, Elvin Padilla is first foul.
Padilla natawagan ng kanyang unang foul at first team foul ng Giants. So they'll put 14 on the clock para sa Tile
14
Masters.
seconds on the shot
Under
clock.
9 minutes remaining sa ating laro. Game number 2. Terzo against Eguilos. Oh, that was a tough shot. Meantime, Arellano. Padilla inside to Eguilos. One-hander, it's good. And we are tied at 57. Pangalawang deadlock pa lang yan after being tied at 2-all.
Big basket para dito kay Jay Egros. Actually, bottom end ng third quarter, they went to him. It was a nice shot. Lumabas na talaga. So very, very effective yung left side ng low post para dito kay Jay Egros.
Hayes on the attack. Na-depensa ni Eguilos. Pagkakataon ng Jumbo, masungkit ang kalamangan dito.
Big possession for Jumbo Plastic. Has never led. The only lead that they have in this ball game is the very start, 2-0, Chigi.
Padilla for 3. Taganas gets the offensive board. Shot clock pa sa Gis. They're gonna go down low to JR. Against Jamil. Kick out Mandani. Padilla sa kaliwa. Padilla running shot. And they take the lead. 59-57.
From the right side, low post, inikot yung bola, swing all the way to the left side. Ang ganda ng extra pass, AJ Mandani. Very nice basket from Alvin Padilla.
Last time lumamang ang Jumbo. 2-0 partner. 5-0 run. Gabawan for 3. That's big from Jamil.
Actually, a good looking stroke from Jamil Gabawan, partner. Top of the three-pointer. Very nice.
Balik ang kalamangan sa Kaida Tiles. 60 laban sa 59 ng Jumbo Plastic. Down low, Eguilos against Gabawan. Mano-imano. Picks up his dribble. Inagawan ni Terzo. Red shirts on the run. And duty foul, binitawan ni Marcy Arellano.
That's just nice defense. After the three-pointer, Jamil Gabawan plays very good defense on the low post. Si Jamo Eguilos nakapagpa-turnover. At ito, ball na naman ng guidance.
Meron tayong brief break dito. Because both squads, nagpalit ng mga manlalaro.
20 seconds on the shot clock.
Medyo ina-expect din talaga natin to, Chiki, no? Dahil 1-0 na finals tayo. The bad loss ng game number 1 para sa Kaida.
Field goals simula sa 3. Para yung 5 conversion, mas maraming attempts lang. ang Akaida Tiles.
Masyadong malayo yung disparity na yan. Kaya ito nakikita natin. Yung
Holding
natin,
on
yung
number
dikit lang
11,
din.
Jeff Biernes. Second.
Biyernes, binalik sa loob at natawagan agad ng foul.
16 seconds left to shoot.
16 on the clock para sa Tile Masters. 7:03 remaining sa ating laro. Terzo. And
Something
agree.
away from the ball.
no, the shot clock was at
Oh.
16. Tapos sumipa paakyat ng 22. So
Parang nakuryente.
they'll go back to 16, I think, or they will remain at 14. Kanina 16 yan eh. Pero pag start ng clock, pumalo ng 22. No, so they'll go at 14.
Yun ang pwede yan.
No. Laking angat yun bigla. Para bumalik sa old school na 30-second shot clock. Panahon natin yun, Johnny. Terzo on the attack. Extra pass. Hindi nasa ni Corpus. Buti na lang nandun si Billy Ray. Rebound ni John Lopez. Tapi ka ng bola. Kanina mapupunta. Lipad si Terzo. And they said that Terzo was caught stepping on the baseline. Sabi ni Terzo, tinulak ako eh.
Meron siyang punto doon, my friend. Dahil
Sinuwag siya ni
Sinuwag siya ni John.
John Lopez.
Pero ang mga officials natin are expecting yung physicality dito sa laro. Dahil yun na nga, it's a finals game, Jake. So, marami talagang banggaan. So, feeling nila, hindi masyadong malakas yung banggaan na yun, non-call.
At si Almario natawagan ng resentment to a non-call. Ayan.
Malamang, yun ang
Or
sinasabi.
resentment to a call. I stand corrected. Lopez sa kabila, wala. Tapik ni Corpus napunta kay John. Mandani bumangga, creating space. Mandani was corrected.
Just a nice move over the much bigger Jack Corpus. Isang bangga para sa separation. No offensive foul. Nice basket for AJ Mandani.
Lead goes back to Jumbo Plastic. 61-60. 6:13 remaining in the game. Taganas. Nagmukhang roadblock para dito kay Almario. Matatawagan siya ng foul.
Kaya naman ang lagi ng mga coaches, di ba? Kung meron kang ball, tapos kakina gano'n yung two-man game. Boom! Isang hard show para matry out.
Mitch,
To force a turnover.
Mitch, anong kwento mo sa amin, partner?
Chicky and Jolly dito nga sa Giants na bench, kailangan mas maging aggressive pa daw sila, especially when it comes to boxing out dahil masyado daw silang nagbibigay ng second chance points para sa Kaida. No mercy mode na daw sila kahit na magpapasko na. Lastly, he tells them, you're all self-motivated already. Just finish the job and prove them wrong. That's it, guys.
Ito yung report mo. Ayaw nila maging Santa Claus. No spirit of giving. Thank you very much. Mitch, let's talk about both sides. If you're Jumbo, ayaw mo nang mag-insaya bukas. If you're Kaida, obviously you want the third game.
Tama din yan, partner. Pero going back to Mitch's report, grabe naman din naman ang mga rebounders para dito sa Jumbo Classic. That's Taganas right
Yes.
there. Number one rebounder, Palos, or para dito sa Jumbo Classic. You got the Lopez's who
That's
love
right.
getting rebounds. And Jay Aguilas is there to provide for boards.
At yung wish buhay na athletic na Alvin Padilla. Isa pa yan.
Does a lot of things on the floor as well. Dumidepensa, shoot, gets rebounds. Tumatasik ko na si Jack Corpus yun. Nakakabuto. Akala ko na babalikan si J.R. Taganas.
Lead goes back to Kaida Tiles. Isa lang yan, 62-61. Under 6 remaining here in the ball game. Lopez humingi ng one-on-one opportunity kay Maikes. John with a fake pass at too tight. Stolen by the red shirts.
Good advice pass galing dito kay John Lopez that time.
Maikes against Taganas. That's a three ball coming from Dex Maikes.
Why that was happening again? Jack Corpus was on the floor na naman.
Nililinis ni Corpus yung Malolo Sports and Convention Center. Agawan sa bola. Who has it? No whistle. Bodies on the floor. The MVP has it.
Jump ball possession arrow goes to Jumbo Plastic Linoleum
Jump
Giants.
ball. Pero ang possession arrow.
Jim
Pabor
Wiggles
sa
and
Jumbo
Mark
Plastic.
Lopez back in the game for John Lopez and Alvin Padilla.
John Lopez, actually, hindi na siya involved dun sa play na yun. Pero sees, there's a 50-50 ball. Sali ko dyan.
Yes, Martinez for AJ Montana.
Parang ginto yung nakikita niya.
Yan,
James Martinez, 12
9
points.
seconds to shoot.
5 of 7 from the floor. 2 of 4 from Rainbow Country. Very accurate para kay Big Game James Jr.
In contrast naman, mga 3-point field goals naman itong si Dexter Maikes, making 3 3-pointers out of 4 attempts.
Wow. So hindi siya nag-ooperate sa loob, ano? Probably baiting JR Taganas
Versatile big guy.
to go outside. Mark, shot clock down to 3. Nasa kanya pa rin bola. James with a fake. James with a shot. All glass for James.
24-second shot clock violation.
Side na kasi may
Dio Manalo gets back in for Joseph Tercel.
65-61. Time Masters up by 4. Go ahead, Jolly.
Then the ball, hindi na tumama sa rim that time, Chiki. So baseline ng inbound ito para dito sa Kai. That's gonna be a very important possession para sa kanila. Only down, up by 4 na lamang.
Halalon against Viernes. They're hitting Dex. Great defense by Taganas, but they have another crack here. Offensive board, napunta kay Halalon. Oh, but Gio lost it.
Dex Micas cut very well to the basket. Chio Halalan said, teka lang, pero ngayon na nangyari yun, mas mabuti pa yata binigay na lang dapat kay Dex Micas para sana may attempt man lang sila.
Viernes. Taganas. Handoff dito kay Martinez. Shot clock labas sa Gis. Viernes at the corner. 3-feet goes in and it does.
Think about that. That was in the face of Gio Halalon. Talagang naka-challenge ng mabuti itong si Gio, pero still makes the three-pointer. Jeff Viernes.
65-64. Isa na lang ang banda rito. Mike for 3. No. Halalon will try. Wala pa rin. Ruaya reverse. And that's good for Ford.
That's Micas should give Ford Ruaya a nice high five because and he should stop shooting those three-pointers. Hindi na pumapasok para sa kanya, para sa Kaida.
Mike nag-apologize sa bench. Martinez. Hinabol ni Corpus at isa sa kanila ni Robles matatawagan ng foul.
Tulikat na ata dito si Billy Ray.
Having foul number 25, Billy Robles is second.
Ford Ruaya.
17 foul,
Ay,
Kaya
pinupulikat kay
Taganas.
Billy siguro. Huwag kang papalata. Na pinupulikat ka na.
Don't show weakness.
Martinez will go to the free throw line.
At the line shooting 2,
And si Robles
James
ang
Martinez.
tatawagan ng foul. Good help coming from Corpus.
Oo.
Blocking it up
Sa
there.
ere kahit may pito na, importante yan kasi continuation yun. Kung ma-shoot yun, basket yun.
Mula sa kinaupuan natin, good line. Yung binitawan ni James. Pero Corpus to the rescue. 2 for 2 for James.
No problem in the free throws para dito kay James Martinez. Total 14 points para sa kanya.
Under 4 minutes remaining sa game number 2. 67 ang Kaida Tile Masters. 66 ang Jumbo Plastic. Ford, kontrapelong atake. Out to Gio. 5 to shoot. Gio, step in. Gio, long 2. Inalog. Rebound, napunta kay Mark Lopez. He's running. Lopez. Changing direction. Euro step. Martinez naman. Hinintay ang screen ni Jamo. James, one fake. Umangat, binitin. Lopez to James. Corner. Long two. No. Taganas! Yes! Wow!
Love that partner. A big offensive board by James Martinez. Tagana.
Nag-flex pa.
5 pounds.
And Mike Hess will say goodnight. Oh, look at him flex those muscles.
And he's just loving his total. Taganas, 7 points. On top of that, 4 boards para sa kanya.
Baby Shaq is back. As we take a look at Dexter Mike's, siguro sabi ni Dex, oh wow, ano nangyari doon? Taganas with a miss. Pero sila ang may kalamangan ng isa, 68-67. Now, how will it change the complexion, Jolly? Atake ng Tile Masters, ganda lang nilalaro ni Dex. He's now out.
It's not gonna be easy para sa kanila. And the Jumbo Plastic has this lead na buti na regain nitong Kaida after that basket.
Jumper coming from Jackson Corpus. 69-68, 2:40 remaining sa ating laro. Martinez, or rather Viernes. Back to James for 3! Oh! Is that an air ball?
That is the setup having for Billy
Rim
Robles.
ng Martila. Expecting a Benga and Nata.
It had a good line. But mintis nga lang. 2:32 remaining. Kaida Tiles Kanilang mission dito nanganganib ng kaunti because they're only up by 1.
Kind of looking at James Martinez trooping to his bench that time and after firing up that air ball.
Upo muna, pahinga muna. Corpus, long 2. Wala, Viernes gets the board.
I don't like the shots by the big guys of Qaeda now. Kapag ganito, you go to your high percentage players. That will be your 4 Druayas with your Gio Alex. Yung mga malalaki dun sa may ilalim.
Take the shoot. Oh! Oh! Nanggaling sa North Luzon Expressway. Ang binitawan ni Jeff Viernes.
Well, that's a big one, partner. Ang layo man, about 30 feet para dito kay Jeff Viernes.
71-69. Lamang ng dalawang Jumbo Plastic. Under 2 minutes remaining in the ball game. Halalan for 3. Nope. And Lopez gets the board. At matatawagan ng foul si Jackson Corpus.
Foul on number 1, Jackson Corpus.
Grabe yung shift na nangyari to.
14 foul by the Tailmasters.
First half, Chigi talagang really turning it on is this Jumbo Plastic team. This was far. Look at
Nasa
this.
siya mo yung shot clock. Bumato. Mula sa highway.
Yung mga no. Yes!
A minute and a half remaining in the ballgame. Laman ng dalawa Jumbo Plastic. Kinakailangan ng magandang depensa galing sa Tailmasters. Viernes. And I think that's it for Corpus. That's it for Jackson with 5.
Ito pang super rebounder nila is Jackson.
Foul on number 1, Jackson Corpus. Penalty.
At
Jackson
ang mabigat
Corpus,
doon,
5 fouls.
penalty pa. Ang Tailmasters, Mike Tess is out, Corpus is out. Coach Mike Buendia trying to figure out
2 foul shots.
how will they get out of this hole here.
Wow, after being in the driver's seat nung first half of action, partner, a very nice lead para sa kanya. That was a 33-24 back then. A nice 9-point lead going to the second half of action.
And there's Mr. Jimmy De La Cruz, the owner of Jumbo Plastic, standing up and getting excited.
Yeah, I'd be excited too, my friend. He's a very happy man ngayon dahil he has a 3-point lead. And this is a 1-0 series, my friend, in favor of him.
Pag naipasok ni Jeff ito, 5-point swing from him, from Jeff Viernes.
Wow, that big 3-pointer from saan galing that time?
North Luzon Expressway.
Ayun.
Partner, biggest lead na ito ng Jumbo at 4 points. MVP, Billy Ray,
Viernes total.
Marvin Ace. Handoff, Losada, uncorked sa 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Halalo yung rebound. Approaching the last minute. Robles, binitin sa ere. Babanda, pasok.
I am the MVP, the PCBL. Sabi ni Billy Ray Robles. Big bucket para sa kanya. Lots of time on the clock.
And a foul is called on Gio Halalon sa kanyang
Holding
panggulo
foul number
kay
26,
Jeff
Gio
Viernes.
Halalon, penalty. That's the third foul of Gio Halalon.
Viernes will be put back on the 4.5-meter line.
Wow.
Closing third
He
zone,
has
back in
a
the game for
total
Gio Halalon.
18 points, my friend, coming to life nung second quarter
Free
of this ball
throws for
game.
Jeff
Yung bottom
Viernes.
minutes nung second quarter na yun, nung pinipintasan natin ang Jumbo na wala silang field goal, giving them suddenly some field goals and some free throws.
And he knows when to turn on that switch. Jeff Viernes. 59.4 seconds remaining. 3-point lead para sa Jumbo Plastic. They want to end it today. 20 points for Viernes. Going 4 of 8 from the floor.
Timeout by the Tailmasters.
It's a 4-point lead para sa Jumbo Plastic. 75-71. Under a minute remaining dito sa ating laro. Will hang in the air. Sapagkat gusto nating makita kung meron tayong makukuha sa dalawang teams. Ito, tingnan natin. Let's listen to Coach Mike.
Manila, Lancer and Letterman.
Corner, Jimmy. Fake corner, ha? Fake corner. Ito, Marvin. Ay, hindi. Janis ito na to. Ito. Fake. Nababaktik ka. Corner. Dive. Dive. Joseph. Hindi. Dito ka na.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum Giants. They were down by 17. Dito sa laro, tinapyas na Jeff Viernes. Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit sila nakahabol. Scoring from the three-point line, scoring from the free throw line. Big production from this guy, Jeff Viernes. 20 na ang ginagawa, 50% from the floor. May dalawang pasa pa.
Big possession para dito sa Kai the Tides partner. It's a 2-possession ball game. Apat ang ating difference dito. Usual suspects will be that guy with the ball, Joseph Terzo. Of course, your PCBL MVP. They will try to get him open. Talking about Billy Ray Robles. Sa ilalim.
Hayes, nasundutan, naagawan ni Marcy, pero naubusan ng espasyo si Arellano. It will remain with Kai the Tile Masters. 17 on the clock. Sa kanilang shot clock, 50 seconds on the game clock. Terzo will inbound.
A lot of time. 50.6 seconds. This has to be a positive. Something has to happen dito sa offense ng they have to get a basket dito.
Terzo against Taganas. Losada for three. Wala. Taganas na walang rebound. Robles. The MVP will score.
Confidence giving yung pagpunta sa kanya ng MVP. Yung shot na yun was more because of his confidence. Baseline jumper para dito kay Billy Ray Robles. One possession ball game, Chiki.
He's jumping up and down. They're only down by 2. Talking about the Tile Masters. 75-73, 38.7 ticks to go. At kung manalo dito ang Kaida Tiles, meron nun tayong rubber match. Game 3 ng PCBL Founders Cup Finals. Ngayon naman po, we will try in a few to listen in dito kay Coach Stevenson Q.
Hindi naman natin kailangan mag-shoot agad. Di ba na?
Tingnan nyo, baka illegal screen, ha?
James, ha? Game mo. Jeff. Shaq. Ikaw Mark. Okay? Kailangan mo sa ating bola. Go. Okay yan. Ikaw, James. Ha? Lalabas ka dito. Ipitin nyo si tao ni Jeff. Ipitin nyo, ha?
James Martinez replaces Marcelo
Para
Arellano.
Jeff tatanggap. Okay? Tatanggap. Pare. Sige. Last 10 seconds.
Ingat sa sundot, ha?
Last 10 seconds.
Ingat sa sundot! Ingat sa sundot!
Very good watch, Charlie. Last huddle ni Coach Stevenson.
Dalawang options yan, partner. Sweet scoring Jeff Pierce. Ang ganda ng ginagawa niya. Equally sweet scorer itong si James Martinez. So they're gonna go both ways. Pagka gano'n, narinig natin, very clear, sabi ni Coach Stevenson Chu, ipitin. So they're gonna set some screens dito para sa dalawang yan. They're going to try to get them open. Pero he also said, hindi naman natin kailangan sumut agad. Tama yun. They can kill this time. This game clock na to.
38.7 sa ating oras, sa ating relo. Jumbo Plastic hanging on to a 2-point lead. Kanila bola. Viernes has it. Uubos ng oras yan against Terzo. Shot clock, baba sa 13. That's a big space for Jeff. Jeff, walang screen, umatake. Step back. Air ball. Air ball from Jeff Viernes. Wow.
This is different. Lots of time for a basket para dito sa Kaida Chick.
I was expecting a screen na pupunta kay Jeff, but he made it one-on-one. Step back, paubos na yung oras, at ngayon may pag-asa ang Kaida Tiles. Let's listen in.
Pinky lang. Pinky. Si Joseph na to. Okay? Billy ko to. Janus. 8 seconds. Screen. Pag natanggap ni Joseph, run natin. Backpick. Step backpick dito. Tingnan nyo, ha? Backpick. Full screen dito. Janus. Hindi na baka ito pa.
Pare, good
Ang
screen
labas
tayo,
mo,
para.
good screen to, ha? Mag-screen. Labas. Billy. Labas sa corner. Okay? Ito, screen na lang. Okay? Pag wala dito, bigay sa big man. Triple handoff tayo kay Billy. Triple handoff. Pagkakagi mo, Billy. Pagkatake, lipat. Pop lang, ha? Pagka-handoff. Bigay na open to. Tapos may shooter.
Marcelo
Sa
Arellano.
focus ni Coach Mike. Charlie, ano nga napulot mo doon?
Well, partner, nakita naman ni Coach Mike Buendia na yung kanyang MVP player na si Billy Ray Robles. Just shot yung huling tira na yun with a lot of confidence. So why not go to him? Siya ang makakahawak ng bola. Siya muna mag-inbound, pero ibabalik sa kanyang bola. Yun ang gusto ni Coach Mike.
Let's see. We're waiting for the handoff. That did not happen. Natapikan si Terzo. And you're right. Sa pagkakaintindi ko doon, Gabawan was supposed to go Billy's way and do the handoff.
This is Jamil Gabawan now. Why did we not go to Billy Ray Robles? We were talking about the two-man game. Why did that not happen?
Quick hands coming from Jeff Biernes, tapping the ball. Mula sa kamay ni Joseph Terzo.
Foul shots for
Foul shots.
Eagles.
Free throws will be given to Jay Moegilos. Pwede ba sa Kaida Tile Masters? They're hoping that Jay
I
Mo,
feel for Coach Mike, but hindi nila ginawa yung play na yun.
because nakita natin, it was supposed to be a handoff
Exactly.
to Billy Ray.
At yung sinabi ko kasi rin, Chiki, na tinira niya yung baseline jump shot niya with a lot of confidence. Kitang-kita ni Coach Mike. So, babalik tayo dun sa tao niya. Siya yung mainit eh.
Of course, the owner, Coach Mr. Jimmy De La Cruz, owner of Jumbo Plastic, talagang nasa edge of his seat.
Tayong dalawa rin eh.
Oo nga, kanina pa tayo ng tayo dito. A split by Egilos, pero big rebound coming from Taganas. Pinulot ni Jaymo, and a foul will be called on Joseph Terzo.
Joseph hustling for that 50-50 ball was Jay. And also, itong si Joseph Terzo, pero dito too aggressive. Merong foul on Joseph Terzo kung di ako nagkakamali. And here is Jay Egilos at kinakramps na chick.
So Terzo was called for that foul. Nag-slide, Na off balance si Jaymo Egilos. Tinamaan nga ng cramps. So, when I spoke to the referees, partner,
Martinez.
papaltan ng shooter yan. Pero ito muna yung nangyari dyan. Taganas for that rebound. Hinabol ni Jaymo. Tinamaan ni Terzo, and the cramps on the left leg. Pumalo na. So, I spoke to the referees. Pwedeng paltan yung shooter. Eh, sino ipapalit mo?
Shots for James Martinez.
James Martinez.
But partner, very evident. Tama naman talaga yung call ng ating mga officials. Natang si Jay Egilos really got to that ball first. At pilit na lang hinahabol doon si Joseph Terzo. James can pretty much ice this ball again in the pass.
77-73. 4-point lead para dito sa Jumbo Plastic Linoleum Giants. Can they sweep
Never.
the series? 2 of 2 for James
Wow.
Martinez.
I did not expect this, partner.
And that's it. That's it. Official na po. 78-73. That's the final score. It's a 5-point win para sa Jumbo Plastic Linoleum Giants. They have swept the Kaida Tile Masters at sila ang kauna-unahang champion ng Pilipinas Commercial Basketball League.
Oh, my friend, di talaga, well, ako talaga para sa Kaida, feeling ko, they're not feeling well ngayon. Di maganda pakiramdam nila dahil ang kanilang classification round, Chiki, napakaganda. Seeded as the #1 team. And here comes Jumbo Plastic, getting 2 in a row as we see Joseph Terzo. Hindi niya alam kung ano tumama sa kanya.
Mr. Jimmy De La Cruz and Coach Stevenson Tew, together with the other players of Jumbo Plastic, 78-73, 5-point win for Jumbo Plastic Linoleum Giants. They have swept 2-0. Magbabalik po ang inyong PCBL.